Hi everybody, let's continue our painting exercise. We are exploring different outcomes using the same source image, materials, and techniques. This is the 5th composition out of 8. We will need watercolor paper, watercolor, brushes, something to mix the paint, water, cloth, cotton ball, and cotton buds. This time I'm going to try to make it very bold. I'm going to make it oversaturated, very flat, and let's see what we can do. I'm using basically the cotton balls to spread the paint on paper. Let's see what we can get by using this technique. My goal here is to make it as flat as possible, so I'm using very intense colors. Let's see if I can make it very flat. This is the kind of effect that would work better with acrylics or oil, but certainly we can get something with watercolor as well. Now we add some details. Each composition took an average of 15 to 20 minutes to complete, and this is the 5th of 8 compositions, and you're welcome to explore the others.